Have you ever been on a holiday somewhere where it is blazing hot to the point that you just can't even enjoy yourself? I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life. Getting overheated isn't just uncomfortable, it can actually be dangerous. Whether you're chasing your kids around Disney World, gardening in the hot summer sun, maybe you're pregnant or going through menopause, too much heat can leave you feeling dizzy, anxious, and downright irritable. For me, staying cool is essential, not just for my comfort, but also for my well-being. I saw these neck fans about a month ago and I thought, who in their right mind would ever buy something like that? They look so nerdy. Well, it turns out I would. After seeing them, I couldn't stop thinking about them and how nice they would probably feel when the temperature is absolutely unbearable. So in this video, we're gonna pop it open and have a look at what's inside the box and see if they really work. All right, let's pop it open and see what's inside. This is a 2-pack. Europe doesn't have air conditioning like we do in North America. We are so spoiled with being able to get cool easily. So the neck fan comes fully assembled and there's a charging cord and a user guide in the box. The charging cord has a regular USB on one side and a USB-C that plugs into the neck fan. Oh, this is actually really nice. It's not very loud. I don't think you can hear it. And it just has this flow of air that's just going up my cheeks. And it actually feels so nice. You know, it kind of reminds me of a pair of headphones. So it kind of looks like that's what I'm just wearing around my neck, is some headphones or something. And they're not heavy at all. They're very comfortable. Oh yeah. This is going to be great. Okay, so there's 5 levels. So I'll go through them right now so you can kind of hear them. Like I could see level 1 even being enough. It's just nice. Level 2, level 3, you can see my hair moving. Level 4, my hair should be flying by now, but it's like a lot of air coming up. And that's level 5. I mean, this is a lot of air coming out right now. I could see myself leaving it at 1 even. I'm super happy with these. Amazing. So this is Jisulife Neck Fan 2-pack, wide area surround cooling technology, ultra lightweight, 0.61 pounds per unit. Soft flexible silicone, 5-speed wind adjustment, up to 18 hours of battery life at the lowest speed, and sweat-proof design. If you're interested in this product and you live near a Costco, go see if your store carries them. Otherwise, I'll add a link below for you to check out. Overall, I'm very impressed and excited to use this on our trip. I can see these being great for someone who works outside in the heat, a gardener, somebody who walks their dog. I would have loved this when I was pregnant. If you're on the fence about buying a neck fan like I was, jump off the fence and get one. You'll love it. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell for more great reviews. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life, and I'll see you again soon. Here's some videos I think you might enjoy watching next.